Well, good morning, guys. We got a lot going on. We are jumping around all over the place because we're in a rush to get in right now, and there's a lot of pressure, a lot of stress going on. Jana's been out here every day helping me with trim. The kids have been out helping me with various odd jobs. Even the littlest job is extremely important because it just expedites that timeline for us. You may see some crossover of videos, like if you see something done in the background that wasn't done before and I haven't covered it, I may get to it in a later video, only because a lot of times there's 2, 3, 4 things going on at once, and I'm trying to keep the videos organized for you guys. So today we actually are going to tackle building at least the frame for the front of the deck. I haven't bought the composite decking yet. We're still debating on what we want to go with and on what color. So I'm going to try to knock that out today. We may have a little bit of a double overlap because we've made really good progress in the guest house, and fingers crossed we have our installer coming to put in the wood flooring of the guest house, which is about 500 square feet, so it should go pretty quick. But if that doesn't happen, we're still going to film this, and we'll get filming the flooring going on and compile that all into one video for you. Okay, so I poured some footers for the deck. There's actually 3 footers. A lot of rainstorms later, and we've got mud and stuff in there, so I'm going to try to clean that out, and then I'm going to start setting the post base. I've got to drill some bolts in there and into the concrete, and then we'll set that down, get it locked in place. Then we'll start setting the joists and posts and get everything level. So let's get started. So our next step is we are going to start putting on the joist hangers, and I got one of my favorite people with me to help out with that. Okay, we're almost done with the framing of the deck. We only have a couple more joists to do. We're gonna knock that out real quick and call it a night. I've got a splinter in my hand. I'm about to dig it out. But you can see I've got most of the guest house deck done. We've got a lot of little projects that we've been doing, but I've been tired. Haven't been videoing lately, so I will kind of pick up from here and show you guys what we've been doing. Okay, so we got all the joists on. We used a structural screw from Simpson's strong tie. I can't stand nailing sometimes, so I think the screw is a little bit faster. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's just as strong. It's a bomb-proof deck. It's probably overbuilt for what we need, but hey, we're gonna do it one time. We're gonna do it right, and because of that, we're gonna put this joist tape on. I built a lot of decks in my time. Never used a protective joist tape, but I figure Jana's not going to let me build another house anytime soon, so I better do this right. So we're going to give it a shot. Okay guys, as you can see, we've got the deck in place. We're gonna get ready to fasten it down. This is a product by Fiberon. Really cool composite decking. I like the pattern. The reason we took this and went with it is to match the cedar that's on the house. Very difficult to do that. I think we've done pretty good with this one. We're gonna wrap the edges. For now, we're just gonna cap the top of the deck. We're gonna do a different color on the main house over here. As you can see, we've got the deck framed up over there because we don't want to get too clashy with the cedar look there. So this is far enough away that we think it'll be a nice blend. I think that deck is going to be a grayish color. We're still trying to pick that out, but we'll jump on that. Right now I'm gonna get this and start fastening it down. Ton of little projects going on right now. We are attempting to get the certificate of occupancy, not for the main house, but for the guest house, because we really need to push forward as fast as possible. We're really complete with the guest house. The one thing we don't have is the railing done on the deck. I still don't have the decorative boards around the perimeter of the deck, but I can still get a certificate of occupancy without that. So we're gonna get cutting some boards and build that railing. Now it's raining. I just dropped a razor knife on the side of my head. I can't tell how bad it is, but it's bleeding, but scalps kind of bleed. Par for the course. Trying to get this finished, and I got rain coming, bearing down on me. I got a knife stuck in my head. I guess I'll wait till my better half gets here to look at how bad it is, and I'll have to clean up because the rain's coming. So guys out there, wish me luck, please. I need it in the worst way possible. Such is life. Battle wounded. Don't ever leave a razor knife open sitting on top of a board, because sometimes it'll stab you in the side of the head. I don't really have much of a choice. I got to finish this railing, so I'm gonna look like this while I build it. You can't make this stuff up, but it's true. But oh well.